Edo State Police Commissioner CP Mohammed Adamu Dankwara don tok say Edo State go too hot for criminals to cause katakata for the state. Mohammed Dankwara tok dis one for im first press tok with tori pipo for Edo State Police Command. Dankwara wen tok say dem don ready to make sure say pipo dey secured, con still tok say dem go collaborate with other security agencies to make sure say dem get correct results.
I am delighted to address you today in my first media brief as the Commissioner of Police Edo State. This new task, no doubt, is daunting, considering the fact that the 2023 general election is just around the corner, with a lot of political activities and behind-the-scene maneuvering in the offing. I therefore call on the good people and citizens of Edo State for their maximum support in this odious assignment. In the performance of my assigned roles, we will need Edo people's input in crime fighting, as propagated in the recently launched community policing project. My clarion calls to criminals is that they should either repent and sin no more or relocate from the state, and we shall make Edo State too hot for them to operate in. We are also committed to making sure that the rights of people are upheld, ensure their liberty within the confines of the law, and make sure they go about their lawful business without fear, intimidation, or molestation. Ensure the health and well-being of officers, develop successful interagency relationship between law enforcement agencies and stakeholders, and introduce creative and efficient crime-fighting strategies to rid the state of crime. In doing this, we are going to implement the Inspector General of Police mission, which is highlighted below. Deploying cutting-edge policing technology and integrating intelligence-led policing practices to core policing functions, with a view to strengthening police capacity to stabilize the internal security order and restore public confidence in the force. 2, seek to, among other things, give full effect to the concept of community policing and deliver quality police service that will be guided by the principle of public accountability and conformity to the rule of law. 3, embrace the social content of policing, in which police officers see themselves as compassionate servants and helpers of the citizens. Finally, as we work together as a team, count on us, and I assure you that all officers and men of the Edo State Police Command will cooperate with you at all times.
Commissioner of Police constitute mouth for some of the achievements of the Edo State Police Command under him watch.
Because of the volume of our activities and achievements, I will just run down the summary. Number of foil kidnapping suspects arrested, 5. Number of armed robbery suspects arrested, 22. Number of cultists arrested, 36. Number of fraud suspects, 2. Number of murder suspects arrested, 6. Attempted murder suspect, 20. Stealing suspect arrested, 10. Number of gun running suspect arrested, 1. Number of lawful possession of firearm, 2. Number of AK-47 rifle recovered, 5. Number of Beretta pistol, 1. Number of locally made gun, 2. Number of barrel gun, 4. Number of locally cut to size, 5. Number of pop action recovered, 11. Number of locally made pistol recovered, 4. Number of cartridges recovered, 105. Number of live ammunition recovered, 7. Number of vehicles recovered, 10. Number of motorcycles recovered, 2. And money recovered, 1,200,000. Number of phone, 1. Gas cylinders recovered, 130. Number of dead body, 1.
Commissioner of Police constantly inspect some of the recovered weapons and say make Edo people continue to work with police and report any waka wey no straight to police sharply.
There is one community here that they have been tormenting them around the Iriri, Obagenosa, Okoroma, Obazobon, and we recovered AK and some pop action from that particular area. But since the time we recovered those things, that issue of kidnapping and robbery has gone drastically. I believe the same syndicate, they are the one using the arms, because they went and concealed the arm under a tree somewhere. Anytime they are coming, They'll now bring it out, take the arms, do whatever they want to do, and enter. You know there's a river around there. But since then, when we recover those arms, things has gone drastically. And by our own intelligence and summation, after the arrest of some prominent kidnap kingpins, the issue of kidnapping has drastically reduced. That shows they are the mastermind. You know, it is, I always tell people, crime has no boundary. You see, out of the people that we have gotten here, there is a particular person that they kidnap a pastor in Igara. In Igara. The pastor identified him. We recovered an AK rifle from him. But the other suspects were on their trail. We will soon get them. Another one again, if you could recall, that reverend father that was killed sometimes back in the Auchi side. We got one of the person who happened to be one of the kidnappers. That is my God. They plan with him, he's with us. So we have gotten them, we are on their trail. You know, like I've told you, crime has no boundary. You see one here, you see one in Kwara, you see one in Ogu, one in Lagos, one in this. If they want to do it, they call themselves and converge. When they do the nefarious act, everybody will now find level. So that is why when you see something, you should say something.
Some of the suspects can chook mouth for their involvement for different crime matter.
Me and my friend with somewhere where they no see so you now they cut the person as engineer. In engineer you call and say in engineer you want sell land whether you contract there you find the venue you say you want sell land give them. So if you don't call the person don't call you tell us okay me help and hold tape. So if you help and hold tape that one now call better. So if he better me I'll dig near that place but I know for that I did there. So if he better you call hit wood for your head. Me, Emmanuel, but I don't see the man with those my colleagues. TD. They say more now. We don't do. Only 2 times we don't do. 2 people lucky. Two people. Two. Now be 2 people. I've seen a work of devil. I feel also a work of Satan. Satan tell you feel like they use it against them. 2. But they are main gang. Now be that one where they no see so. She Emmanuel where they no see so. Now they cut the call. First one na Camry. The other motor they discovered that now the police are so. I was arrested for ouching.
The man did very nice. So as I eat finish for where for the work, the man come to me say come pay for the food when I eat. As he pay, come say okay, me I give him my number. So whether I here for the work, I say I here for the work. Come say okay. As I close finish, he come call me. Say he want see me. He say which work I dey do now? Say I be weather. He come say okay, he get work when go give me. I come say okay. Later now, he come call me, which is for this year bypass. He come call me say what I will do. Make me just dey like say they were for the sell block industry. I go do like say na me get the block industry. So that if he carry the person come, the person go believe say na truth, say na really for site onto construction work. Now I say okay, not be to just go stay for there. And so I'll go stay. So if I can't stay there, as they come, before they will come meet the person who get the block industry, me don't come outside. I'll come ask them, say hello, what do I want buy cement, I want buy block. They'll say yes. So they'll come follow me, talk. Then they'll come. So that make the person who deal with them so go for believe say na really truth. So they may come out. I will come out. I'll come go the place where I have for work. No, constant. If I see any person who be say he dey strange, make I call. So if I not see anybody, I wish it's nobody, everything dey okay. After the truth finish, they'll come outside. So I'm more enter motor. I can't enter motor. We can't come out. That one for the one for this year for bypass, which is Camry. They do that one for Auchi. That one is Siana. And that one na police come take all us.
What do you do to the people?
Me now just to stand, they look as a person with secure. In case of any spy, they come. Me go call, inform now, say CCCO. If they can't come outside, once they say what happen, you see the gas, they drag. Then they knock something for your head. And they kill her. So okay, come out.
How many don't kill so far?
Now 2.
They don't kill 2.
Just 2.
How much they don't collect?
The other one never sell her.
How much money they don't collect for the person?
If they sell the motor, don't be collect money for your hand. And the motor you go sell. The first one give me, I'm gonna say 50-something thousand. Yeah, 50-something thousand. I reach my hand. Now I reach my hand after the share.
How many are people for the group?
Will be four. Four of us.
When then? The day.
One is there, the other one is there. The fourth one, which is Samuel, that one they across, but police don't quick based on the dragging of that one. Another one they run come out.
Na for Ekatolo Junction. I dey together na the same papa born. And I can't walk, I dey walk. But my papa no well, na him dey sick. Na him call me for food, make I come back, make I come carry am hospital. No, I no do anything. The person wey tell me like that, make we bring am, make I see am eye to eye, make I ask am in the ear. No be say I be stranger for this land. I don't reach like it 20-something for this land. I dey for Kwale.
For Delta State. Then you come Edo for kidnapping.
No, na for here my house dey. Na for Edo na where my house dey. Na for there dem born me.
You get wife?
I get a wife. No, I never get children first.
I don't do anything. I just come. I won't pray for months. That on Friday. Tsakanina da Allah ko lokacin da firji ya wuce kana ji da na ko da so Anita that say why the firji come out, everybody come out. I can't go they stay for camp. I know say I not do anything. That make me no near Okada Junction. I say I sit down for there. They can't carry. Me I can see. I think say na walk come. I see people everybody they run. I make me run. I think say na walk come. So I say, huh? I don't know that and self. I don't do anything. I see them. They hold me with some Yoruba people. I don't even know themselves.
Get one day I go airport road. I go visit my father. So on my way coming back, I saw machine park along the road. Like the one that went, I have the machine went to the toilet to shit. So I now disconnect the machine and take the machine to Ologbo. So I now take it to Ologbo using to walk. So vigilante went there last side, went to Ologbo. Now I call homie, say we me for see my machine. I not going to tell her. Now they carry me go Ologbo police station. For Ologbo police station, now they transfer me come here.
So what you carry me call now? My friend say I help call number. Say one balance. So now I help and I give me agent number. Now I help use my phone call am. So in the agent can go check land for Bazagmo for there. Cause he not like the land. Say the agent can say get for BIU. Now so they can take go BIU. So me not dey aware. After on the 5, what I did is I just see police come mass around 12 surround me. So I not run. Because not do something not go fear. Now I take follow the coast station. Sorry station. Now I call here with the I will say so person like. They now say yes. Now I use my phone call person. Now they say we don't for see them. Now I say get we have for take the see them. Now I take carry police go meet this man. So now so they take arrest them. When I will call say I call here say they go shoot person. Now what I hear be that. So.
It's message that the son was done. We don't know that because of woman matter. It's Monday. Where is he? I don't know where is he now. Me, I'm Ozu, I'm driving car. So based on because of my car no good, now I dey close to him. Based on say now they give me chop. That when he now send them. Me don't know these people before. It's the other because they don't know how to drive motor. That is when we go do the job. Then inside 2 of us, I hold one gun. Then before I tell them that I don't know how to shoot, they already cracked the gun, give me. When I touch the pin, he now answer. So when he answer, I don't know whether he die or whether he not die. That is when I will now move. When we come back to police station, I now see the man that his hand that the bullet meet him is not dead.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC, your power. No sell am give any politicians on election day.